Hi, hello guys. Yeah, we have several ways to like create a function. So um I'm gonna show you guys some to create C++ code. So okay, first let's say we want to get the sum of two numbers, the sum of two numbers using C++ code. So what we do is we start with our hash. Remember the hash IOS tree. You don't forget to include your hash, then include iOS tree. Sorry, use small letters. iOS open the less down and iOS stream. Then next, we're using namespace because we don't wanna like include the std in every include the std in every input and output. So we just use namespace. So we have the using namespace std. Don't forget. Then next we have the integer main, which is our integer and the main function. We all know open bracket, close bracket. Then you have the curly braces, open and close immediately. So finding the sum of two numbers, we don't forget um we're using integer as a data type, and let's take our variables as x and y. So don't forget to add the sum as well. You have the sum. So we then give next we give values to the um our variable. So we go with cout because the integer sum x and y is the declaration we are declaring. So next we're going with the cout. Enter a digit for x. First we go with x because we declared x first. It's not as if it's like you can declare anyone first, but so we end it. Then we see in. We have to see in. The moment you see out, you see in. So you see in x. Then next we do for the y. Okay, so we have the enter a digit for y. Then we see in y. Don't forget to see in your y. Then now what we have declared, we need to like bring it back to the code. So while we run, it's gonna do the calculation in. This is a compiler, so the compiler is going to do the calculation of the number we impute because how here we have the chance to impute. So now the compiler have the job. So we just need to make the compiler understand the instruction, so then the compiler can execute the program. So we have the sum, which is equal to x And we all know plus then y. So right now we have told the compiler what to do, which is we're finding the sum of two numbers, two numbers. So next we then see out. We then see out the sum of two numbers is here's our output that is going to be displayed after everything. It's just like the average of everything. So the sum of two number is, and this we have to include the sum as well. See out sum and end line. End line means to the next page. I hope you all know that. Then next we have the return zero, and so we end our program. The return zero means the code has been properly executed and we are done writing our code, so for a proper execution. So let's run and see what it's going to bring out. So okay, see we made mistake here on the integer main. We have to put it properly integer. So we run again. You see? So first pick, let's go with a number, random number 20. 20. We enter for y, we see 10. You see it's gonna give us our number. The sum of two numbers is 30. Okay, we run again. We put 2 and 3. Our answer will be 5. You see? So we have to understand this in the two steps. Firstly, here we start include IO string using namespace, integer main, integer integer main is the function. Then you open your curly braces, open and close. The minute you open, you close it immediately. Then everything imputed will be in the logic, which is the code block, or you call it color block of codes. So you have the integer sum x and y, C out, enter a digit for x, C in x, C out, enter a digit for y, C in y. Then here, this is what is going to make the compiler understand what's going on. So then next, you see how the average, like the subtotal of everything, because we are looking for the sum. So it's there, like it's going to display any the answer here. So then we end the program by return and we run the code. Let's go again. We go with 4, 6, and we see our answer is 10. So that's it.